If you're over 60, you've probably noticed the impact of the years on your body. The aches are more frequent, and your ability to perform activities may have decreased. This is a common part of aging, but it only happens to those who don't take action to reverse this reality. The good news is that it's never too late to strengthen your body, regain mobility, and improve your overall quality of life. If you're watching this video, chances are you want to take care of your body, but aren't sure where to start. In this video, you won't just learn about the top exercises, backed by science, that can prevent and even reverse muscle loss as we age. You'll also discover the best ways to perform them and how to modify them according to your fitness level, ensuring gradual and safe progress. And if you know someone who could benefit from these exercises for a healthier, more independent life, be sure to share this content with them. The first exercise we'll explore is the plank. This simple yet powerful movement engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the abs, lower back, pelvis, shoulders, arms, and legs. It's a full body exercise that primarily strengthens the core, helping to improve posture, enhance balance, and reduce back pain. Common concerns as we get older? Another great benefit of the plank is that it's a low-impact exercise, making it safe for the joints. If you're just getting started or have physical limitations, the modified plank is a great entry point. Begin by lying face down on a firm surface, such as a yoga mat. Place your forearms on the floor with your elbows directly under your shoulders and keep your thumbs pointing up to protect your shoulder joints. Bend your knees, keeping them on the ground, and engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your chest. Lift your torso, maintaining a straight line from your chest to your hips, and hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds, breathing normally. As you build strength, gradually increase the duration. For those ready to take it up a notch, the traditional plank is the next step. This variation follows the same setup, but instead of keeping your knees on the ground, you'll position the balls of your feet on the floor, keeping your body elevated and aligned from your heels to your head. Engage your core to prevent your hips from sagging or lifting too high. Keep your neck neutral by looking at the floor and maintain controlled breathing. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually work your way up to holding the position for a full minute or longer. Next up, we have push-ups. One of the most effective and versatile exercises for strengthening the upper body, enhancing core stability, and improving functional movement. Push-ups engage the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles, all of which are essential for everyday activities like pushing, lifting, and even playing with your grandchildren. Beyond just physical strength, push-ups also help stabilize joints and reduce the risk of falls, contributing to a higher quality of life. If you are new to push-ups or have limited mobility, modified push-ups are an excellent starting point. Position your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart on the floor and rest your knees on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your knees. Then lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows, stopping just before touching the ground. Push back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions and gradually increase as your endurance improves. If even modified push-ups feel challenging, wall push-ups offer a gentler alternative. Stand about a foot away from a wall, place your hands on it at shoulder height and slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lean forward by bending your elbows until your chest nears the wall, then push back to the starting position. Push back to the starting position. This variation provides extra support while still targeting the same muscle groups. For those who are comfortable and ready for a challenge, the standard push-up is the next progression. In this version, your feet remain on the floor and your body forms a straight line from your heels to your head. Engage your core throughout the movement to protect your spine, lower your chest to just above the floor, and push back up, focusing on maintaining control and proper form. The key to success with push-ups is consistency. No matter which variation you choose, incorporating them into your routine will build strength, improve posture, and make daily tasks like carrying groceries or standing up from a chair much easier. Another essential exercise to include in your routine is the triceps dip. This movement strengthens the triceps, which play a crucial role in pushing, lifting, and supporting yourself during daily activities like standing up from a chair or carrying bags. Strong triceps also contribute to better elbow joint health, improved posture, and reduced risk of falls. To perform a triceps dip, sit on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench and place your hands beside your hips. Slide your body forward so that your arms support your weight. Keep your feet on the floor and slowly bend your elbows to a 90-degree angle, lowering your body toward the ground. Push yourself back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. If a full dip is too challenging, you can do a shorter version by sitting down and pushing back up using your triceps. Now, let's focus on strengthening the lower body. Squats are one of the most beneficial exercises for older adults. They target the major muscles of the legs, including the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings, which are essential for movements like walking, climbing stairs, and standing up from chairs. Strengthening these muscles improves balance, reduces the risk of falls, and makes everyday activities easier. For beginners, using a chair as support is a great way to practice. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly bend your hips and knees as if you're about to sit down, keeping your back straight and your gaze forward. Lightly touch the chair with your hips, then return to the starting position with control. If you're more confident, you can perform a traditional squat without the chair. As you gain strength, try holding a light weight, like a dumbbell or a water bottle, to add extra resistance. Reverse lunges complement squats by strengthening each leg individually. This movement helps correct muscle imbalances, improves stability, and enhances balance. To perform a reverse lunge, start with your feet shoulder-width apart. Use a chair for support if needed. Take a large step backward, keeping your torso upright, and bend your knees until the front leg forms a 90-degree angle. The back leg should be supported on the ball of the foot. Push yourself back to the starting position and repeat, alternating legs for a total of 10 repetitions on each side. If needed, perform mini lunges by reducing the range of motion. For more intensity, remove the support or add light dumbbells. Finally, we have the glute bridge, an excellent exercise for improving mobility and maintaining functionality in daily life. This movement strengthens the glutes, core, and lower back, promoting stability and enhancing balance. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Position your arms alongside your body for support. Engage your core, press your heels into the ground, and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for a second, then lower back down. For beginners, lifting the hips just a few inches off the ground is a great way to start. If you want an added challenge, try the single leg variation by extending one leg while performing the exercise. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can significantly improve strength, mobility, and overall well-being. I hope this video made a difference in your day. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment below and let me know. See you in the next video.